So I'm going to show this tape drive here, how it functions. So now there's boot the PC here. So it's like this kind of a TEAC drive. It's the same drive inside the unit I showed, and it has this kick interface. There are also units available with SCSI. This kind of tapes are going in. It looks like an audio tape. It has a notch, a different formulation, of course, and there's no pad here to press against the head. And we have a record tab you can slide back and forth. So this is the mainstream 60 indicating the maximum capacity of 60 megabytes. So let's see if we can. You first need to make a hardware configuration here, and I noticed if you change it, like the DMA and the IRQ and the IO address, you need to reboot your computer, otherwise the thing gets stuck. So this is the original Maynard program, and let's select a few files to put on the tape. Let's say those three, and then it says Control Enter to turn. Sorry about that. And then we say go. Go. This is a test. TEAC test. So there it goes. All the information on the tape in mainstream 1 will be replaced. Do you want to do this? Yes. And there we go. It's like a 5 megabyte file. What it does at the end of the tape, it shifts the head a little bit. Okay, now it's going to the backed up 3 files in one directory, processed 6 megabytes 1 minute. And then we get this thing here. I think it wants to catalog on the hard drive and it's read-only, so that has nothing to do with the tape. Oh yeah, let's see if we can if you can put the files back, restore, go. Rewind. So what I was trying to tell is so that's the speed sensor. It's just a roller that's touching the tape, providing a servo signal for the reels here to make a constant speed. And that's the read-write head. It reads and writes at the same time, so it can verify while it's doing its thing. And this head, it has a step motor. It can go up and down. So it lays down a very thin track, and when it hits the end of the tape, it moves down one track, and then it's pulling back while writing the next track. And when it comes to the beginning again, it's moving down a bit. So it's laying down a few tracks. So this one has rewinded now. You're about to restore information. Do you want to do this? Yes. And now it's transferring back this file to my hard drive. So it's a CRT monitor, it's not an LCD. That are the 3 files that are on the tape. Restart back, restore complete, restore 3 files in 1 minute. This is the same thing again. I think it's a write protected file in the program. And now it's, when you quit the program, it's automatically going to rewind. And that's what I'm not going to do, because I like to show you the card, the original Maynard card for this thing. So I have here the old interface card for the serial port, parallel port, hard drive, NE2000 network cards, and here at the top is my tape card with this very thick connector here. So that's the one. It says Maynard on the chip here, kick 2. You can also connect it internally with a 50-pin flat cable. And that's why it's mixed up sometimes with SCSI. People think it's SCSI and then they connect it to a SCSI card, which is much more widely available than this card, and then you blow up the interface of the tape drive and then you can not use it. So right now it's on I/O address 1, IRQ channel 4, DMA channel 3, DRQ 3. So this, yeah, it's really old basic card. I don't know if the memory is in the tape drive, so I think that's only like porting the 8 bits to the motherboard, because the memory buffer is on the drive itself. So for your information, 1984. 1989, Maynard Electronics, made in USA. Tape interface card, PC Type 1, version 10, assembly number. So yeah, that's one working tape drive there.